Hello, thank you for clicking this video. I'm Bintang. Welcome back. In this occasion, I would like to share another tip to enhance student speaking skills, especially for high school students or higher education students. So as we know that nowadays, the development of technology and digital tools is so massive. And so thus, the spreading of information in the internet are also so massive. Therefore, in this case, to incorporate students' digital literacy, teachers need to facilitate and also remind the students to access and also share positivity throughout the internet. One of the frequently used media in sharing information is social media. In ELT context, for example, teachers and students can use podcasts to share positive information. And through podcasts, listeners can also grasp the positive ideas and also information as well as motivation shared by the speakers. Teachers can provide themes related to the latest topics. So for instance, several cases related to mental health issues are still spreading among the teenagers. Therefore, teachers can provide some themes about this to raise the students' awareness about this matter. So the themes that can be integrated by the teachers are how to promote our mental health and ways to support others' mental health, and also positive activities that can be done in our leisure time, and also ways to maintain good relationship with others, as well as the theme of unity and diversity. With this theme, it emphasizes that everyone can still be friends even though they come from different areas and also different backgrounds. And also, teachers can integrate other positive topics related to learning. So for example, the themes that can be integrated are tips for study and also time management. And the second one is book reviews and also book recommendations for learning certain subject. And then the third one, the students can also discuss about their hobbies. And now, I will show you on how to create our own podcast. And here are the steps to implement it.
The first step, teachers can divide the students into small groups involving 2 until 3 students, or students can also do it individually. And then the second step, students can install the podcast applications. The application that I use in this video is Podcasters for Spotify, so that later the podcast is published into Spotify. And then the third step, after installing, students can log in by using their Spotify or Facebook account. Then, after logging in the home page, students can click Tools. In the record page, if students have partners, they can invite their partners by clicking Invite Friends to join, so that later their partners can also join the podcast recording. Or if they choose to do it individually, they can just click Record, then the recording will start. After finish recording, you can add background music, and after that click Save, then write the title of the podcast episode. When it is done, then click Publish.
Alright, so those are all the tips that I can share today. With this activity, it is hoped that students and also teachers can maintain the characters of Indonesian people, such as always being care, friendly, and also love to share good things and positive things with others by always sharing their positive thoughts and also attitudes. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on the next video.